How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model coming in at 399 square feet, right under 400 square feet for you. And guys, this week it's a very special home. It goes by the name of the Eagles Landing. And I say very special because there's a very special feature that's in this home that you guys need to wait to see. I'm going to say it right to the end for you, so you guys stay tuned to see what I bring. The Eagle has landed again, and we brought it to you right here in this beautiful Eagles Landing. For you guys out there that have been looking for the perfect park model and you did not need a loft, you just wanted that open, airy feel, stop right here. This is the one, guys. Starting off right here in the main area, as you look around, you'll see we have an abundance of natural light coming into this home. We've got clear story windows up above. We've got sliding glass doors, we've got windows on the side, and for you guys that need 2 exits, it's very important. Some people love to have 2 exits because you never know. You've got it right here. So the options are endless in this home, and at the same time looking stylish, it's bringing in the natural light and making it feel very open in this home. You'll see it kind of rolls right here as well into the kitchen. We've got top of the line appliances. You see we've got the stainless steel farm sink. We've got a dishwasher. You know that is a premium feature in a tiny home, and you're getting it right here in the Eagles Landing. We went with the white cabinets. You've got the backsplash right here going from the countertop all the way up to the cabinets, looking very nice. And you'll see we finish out the top of the cabinets as always for you to add your personal taste in decor. It's perfect feature for you. You see right here, we've got the nice smooth top oven, and we've got the convection oven right above. So if you need to cook a ham and a turkey at the same time, you pop them in there and you're ready to roll. And no, we did not forget about your fridge. It's right here, big boy style, right across. The double side by side with the ice in the door, perfect for this home. You see we've got an abundance of storage space. Not counting these, we've got 12. Count them, 12 cabinets here in the hallway for your storage needs, guys. We went above and beyond in this Eagles Landing. And if the 12 cabinets ain't enough, look up there. We got extra storage space. I don't even know what to call that, but that is extra storage right there, guys. You can't beat it. And look, kept it going right here with the side-by-side front load washer and dryers. Didn't have to do the stackables in here. Some people would prefer the side-by-side. Well, you have the option right here. And if you don't want to go with the side-by-side, throw the stackables in here and we'll put some more cabinets in here for you if that's what you want to do. And guys, right across from here, we've got the bathroom. You'll see, kept it going with the nice backsplash going around, cabinets below, and you also got the stand-up shower right here, perfect with the sliding glass door. And look at the ceiling height. For those guys out there coming in at 6'6", 6'9", hey, this park model tiny home will be yours in no time, guys. This is the perfect one for you. Follow me back to the master, and you'll see, got the nice pocket door right here separating everything for you. And you come on back to the master layer, and you'll see, again, like we do the built-in dresser. So you got all the areas down there for you. Got a nice cutout right here that you can put a TV. Barn doors, everybody loves barn doors. Hey, got it right there, you roll in, got plenty of space right there to hang your items, and we don't got to worry about the swing taking up the space. Guys, look right here, we've added the window into the master, bringing in that natural light. We're adding it in every room. Everywhere you go, that light feel is going to be in this home, the Eagles Landing. That's what makes it so special. And speaking of special, remember when I said earlier that we had a very special feature in this particular home? Now is the time to show it to you. This is going to be what sets it apart from the rest. You guys follow me back through the house and let me take you to where this very special feature is. And as we walk back through, remember, take a look around. Look, guys, there's an abundance of space in here. This is a nice flow to this home. Nice contemporary feel. You can't beat it. And here we go. You guys ready for this? Come on out to the dining oasis, outdoor living area, completely screened. You can't beat this, guys. You can come out in the morning, have your coffee, have your lunch, your brunch, your drunch, Everything that you need right out here. This is the space to do it at. It's screened underneath. So as you know in my prior videos, we call that here in Texas critter proof. No critters are coming in on you, no mosquitoes in the evenings, totally secluded. This is the perfect spot. And if you like that outdoor, indoor feel, you guys can leave this door open and just let that nice breeze come into the home. Makes it feel even larger. When you have a guest over, have a get together, hey, you got enough room to do it in your park model tiny home. How many people can say that? You can if you get the Eagles Landing. And guys, take a look up. You'll see we got exterior ceiling fan here. We've got can lights around, so in the nighttime, you can light it up in no time. And you've got an exterior screen door here, easy access on and off the porch. And this is my favorite feature about this home. That's why I wanted to save it for the very end for you guys to soak it all in. And I want to thank you guys for tuning in with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and another Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model. Remember to stay tuned next week to see the next one that I bring to you. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos. Come see me in Rockwall and ask how you can make the Eagles Landing yours. You have a great day.